Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cash in Trust Wallet using GCash. First, you'll need to understand that Trust Wallet is a self-custody wallet, meaning it doesn't directly support fiat withdrawals to services like GCash. You'll need to use a third-party exchange that facilitates this conversion. We'll cover the essential steps to move your crypto and get your funds into your GCash account smoothly and securely. Let's get started with the first step. The first crucial step is to transfer your cryptocurrency from Trust Wallet to an exchange that supports withdrawals to GCash. Choose a reliable exchange and locate the deposit address for the specific crypto you wish to sell. Carefully copy this address. Then, open your Trust Wallet, select the cryptocurrency, tap Send, paste the address, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Double-check all details before confirming to ensure your funds go to the correct destination. Once your cryptocurrency arrives at the exchange, the next step is to sell it for Philippine pesos. Go to the Trade or Sell section of the exchange. Select the cryptocurrency you deposited and indicate the amount you wish to sell. The exchange will show you the current market rate. Review the transaction details, including any fees, and then confirm the sale. Your crypto will now be converted into fiat currency, ready for withdrawal. Finally, with your funds now in Philippine pesos on the exchange, you can withdraw them to your GCash account. Head to the Withdrawal section of the exchange. Select GCash as your withdrawal option. You'll need to input your GCash registered mobile number and the exact amount you wish to transfer. Confirm the withdrawal, and the funds should typically arrive in your GCash wallet within a short period, depending on the exchange's processing times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.